Hey everyone, today we are at 7-Eleven in Arundel. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. We have two evaporators. Pretty nice. Alright. Pretty much about it really. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.